Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're here in downtown, beautiful Titusville, Florida. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day. And we're truly blessed to be able to do roofing in Florida. Anyway, we're at a homeowner's house here. I'm just gonna hop on the roof and do a quick inspection. They want to get their roof replaced. Here's what we're looking at. As you can see, as we walk up, we see some dislodged shingles. Let's kind of take a look, see what they look like. Yeah, a little wind damage. We're gonna fix that before we leave. There's no reason to leave that exposed. When you see the old tar paper behind it and the exposed nails and the rust, the water's just getting into the house. So, as a courtesy before we leave, we'll fix that up for them. Anyway, this looks like a pretty simple roof. We're gonna, a couple previous repairs. Definitely time for a new roof. That's why we're here. Anyway, just thought we'd show you guys real quick what we're up to today. Once again, I'm Sean, your roof guy with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day. Thank you.